you can't really see. Hold on. There we go, 9:59. We still have a while. I guess it started. You want to say something?
Okay, it's October 17th, 2013, and 11 months ago, you and I went to the Grand Hyatt in Seattle and went pool crashing, and I never would imagine
Now.
I never would imagine that Love Bus there I'd be here meeting you. So here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,